This is the Peakeep digital alarm clock. I liked it because it has a really large display. Time set, alarm set. You can have it on 24-hour or 12-hour. It's got snooze button on top. It's for USB, where it can be plugged in right here. Also has a place for 2 AA's, it looks like. So this did beep when I plugged it in. I like how nice and bright that display is. The blue is great because it'll be easily visible. It does have a dimmer, so it's got 5 settings for the dimmer, so that last one's pretty dim. There's the alarm button on the back. If you press that, it tells you that your alarm is completely off. So right now, there's no alarm set. This would mean there was an alarm set. Okay, I set it for 1 minute. I think it's a good little clock.